Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So as promised, today I'm going to show you the finished transfer from the CEX.io crypto exchange to my LEUPAY account. So before we begin, as always, please consider subscribing, also turn on post notification and like and share the videos because it would help me very much. And also, as you may recall already, you can go to the playlist and you can find a certain playlist of videos, so you don't have to look through all of my videos to find the video you want. And obviously you have a playlist with only the LEUPAY videos, so you can watch them one by one. Okay, so basically if we take a look at my LEUPAY account in here, you can see that now my balance is 148 euros, and the transaction, as you can see, we have the 49.99 which we made from Kraken to my LEUPAY account, and this one is the one of 99 euros which we made last episode from CEX.io, as you can see in here, to my LEUPAY account. And as you can see, the date is 30th of July and the hour is 16:32 p.m. And as you can see on the CEX, my CEX page, I have done the withdraw the same day at 8:52 a.m. So basically the transfer from CEX to my LEUPAY account occurred in half day, in less than 12 hours. So yeah, that's amazing to hear. So now you know that the transfer from CEX to LEUPAY works. It's faster than Kraken. Maybe sometimes it will be faster, maybe sometimes it can be slower, depends maybe on the amount of transaction. But anyway, for me it was in 24 hours from Kraken to LEUPAY, and now from CEX it was less than 12 hours of a transfer, which is very good, very good news. Yeah, let me show you this on my phone too, because as you may recall, LEUPAY has an app mobile phone. So as you can see in here, you can enter the app with the fingerprint sensor, with your fingerprint sensor if you have the phone, obviously. And as you can see in here, 148.99 and 99 from CEX, and the 49.91 from Kraken that we did. So yeah, basically that's it. Here is the proof that we can withdraw money from our crypto exchange after we sell our crypto, obviously, to our LEUPAY account. And I just received a call from my post office that a package has arrived for me. I have only one package which I'm waiting for, which are the Visa debit cards of LEUPAY. So let's just hope they are, but since I'm waiting only this package, yeah, I'm pretty stoked about it. Obviously I will make a video to show you guys these two Visa debit cards. I will show you how to activate them, and yeah, maybe begin using the money that we have now on our LEUPAY, because that was my goal, and I think that this will be your goal if you decide to open a LEUPAY account. So yeah, that was it for today, guys. Thanks very much for watching again, and see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.